Hey everybody, it's Vic here, and I want to make let's see if I could do this in about 3 minutes, a video on how to change your username and your email address on Facebook. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, let me kind of show you instead of talking it to you. So let's jump on over here where you see the drop down. You're going to click on that and you drop down to settings. And when you sign up for Facebook, you put in your email address and all the other information, created a password, and then Facebook arbitrarily assigns some letters and numbers to your username. Nothing that you'd ever be able to remember. And you can edit it. And the only thing that was available for me, I've done this a while ago, was my name with the number 4 at the end of it. So that was what was available, and that's what I changed it to. When you go into this for the first time, you're going to see a mess of letters and numbers up here, and you can go ahead and change it just like I did. And it'll let you know if it's available before you could save changes. Now, how do you change your email address? This is my add account contact, but here goes my primary contact. So let's say you changed your email providers or what it happens to be. So you're going to go over here, you're going to click edit. Okay, see I've got this checked where it allows friends that download my info to get my email address with it, but I'm going to go over here, add another email or mobile number. So I'm going to add an email, and then what it's going to do, it's going to send me an email to verify that that is really me. So I'm going to put that in, I'm going to eyeball it, make sure it's right. I'm going to click add, and then I got to put in my password. So if you all could just turn around now while I put in my password, I'd appreciate that. Okay, I'll let you know when to open your eyes. Okay, you can open your eyes. And there it goes. An email has been sent to make sure it's valid. Once I do that, let me go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then come back here. Okay, so I paused it and here we go. So it just sent me that email. It says, hey, would you confirm? Hi, Vic. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click confirm. It's got a code in there I don't want to show you, but it just got the confirm button. I just popped that in and it says success and continue. So now I'm logged in over there. So I can come back over here now and I should be able to close this, and let's go ahead and edit this. And now you see I've got the 2 email addresses in here. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and remove the original email address. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this and now close. And actually my add account contact changed also. So with that, I hope that helps. Please feel free to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.